So Namaskar, good morning, Ram Ram, welcome to your own channel RK Astro English. Love or detachment? Why? Because Venus is going to enter in the sign of Leo on 4th of July, where Ketuji is already present. Venus attachment, Ketu detachment, result desires will end and destiny will begin here. Now, when I was making this presentation and video, I think Venus is in the Leo sign with Ketuji, but nakshatra will play important role. Now, if I only talk about the Magha nakshatra, this is incomplete. So I have talked about all the three nakshatras in which Venus will transit during the Leo sign. So how it will be for all the family members? Let's see. Before this, a very small introduction because this is not very good big video. On 4th July 2026, when Venus will enter the Leo, where Ketuji is already transiting from last 1 year, now this creates a Venus-Ketu conjunction, and although this conjunction is considered one of the most benefic planets, why? The conjunction with Ketu will now produce an unusual results. And this is not necessarily bad. Why? Because this is automatically favorable now. It is a transit that change the way you experience your happiness. Happiness will be there, but maybe this is a time to find happiness in somebody's happiness. This is time for not buy something for you. Ketu is about leaving, about surrendering. Maybe you can buy something for your loved ones. So classical astrology describes Venus as the giver of pleasure, relationships, beauty, comfort, luxury, wealth, art, romance. And what is Ketuji? Totally different. Detachment, karmic completion, hidden knowledge, spiritual awakening, and separation from the material expectation. So when these two planets combine, the worldly nature of Venus become filtered through the Ketu's energy of leaving the things. So the result is offer inner questioning rather than the outer satisfaction. So the core dynamic is the sponge and the vacuum. So to understand this mix, you see how two energies work. Venus wants to pull things in, give me everything. It's about attachment, enjoying a beautiful meal, falling in love, and accumulating wealth. And Ketuji, vacuum. It doesn't have a head. So it can't consume the things. It represents where you are really already full from the past lives, and therefore now you feel empty. So when they sit together, now Ketuji essentially punctures the Venus ability to hold on to worldly attachment. And you might get the nice car, big house, or perfect partner, but the moment you get it, the voice inside whispers, is this it? And is there nothing more? No, this is how. But okay, let's go through the transit of the nakshatra. But actually, nakshatra works. So July 4, when Venus will enter the Leo, Venus will also enter the Magha nakshatra on the same day, and this is also nakshatra of Ketu. Now with Ketu in the Ketu's nakshatra, and Ketuji is also in on nakshatra. So 16 July, Venus will enter Pur Falguni. Now this is a relaxation. Venus will enter into its own nakshatra, and 29th July, Venus will enter Uttar Falguni, and Uttar Falguni is nakshatra of Surya. Totally different. So how it will work for all the family members, I will go through the 4 parts for every ascendant to check that what is going to happen with you. Now Aries ascendant, start with the Aries people. If you see for Aries ascendant people, now this double shadow which you can see here, the Venus and the Ketu together, they are here in the Leo sign. So Venus rules your second house of wealth and seventh house of partnership. So when Venus joins Ketu here, now the focus shift from definitely the player to deep understanding. Fifth house is also the brain intellect. And in Ketu reduces the attachment to the matters wherever Ketu is sitting, and you may enjoy romance, creativity, or children, but something may also make you think deeply about these areas. You are enjoying because Venus is here, so this is romance, children's. So some relationships may feel unusual or confusing to you. Old romantic memories can return for some people, and those already in love or romantic relationships may realize whether the relationship has a strong foundation or this is just based on attraction. Parents may become more concerned, this is house of kids, about your kids future if you have a kids. If you are a student, you may lose interest in suddenly the distractions and become serious about learning. And financial speculations, because this is a share market, should be handled carefully because Ketu can cloud judgment. So no speculations during this time period. And Venus G will be there in Magha Nakshatra on the very first day, 4th July. And when Venus Ji enters Magha Nakshatra, the nakshatra of Ketu, now attention shift towards ancestors, family traditions, dignity, respect. So Venus does not behave in its unusual luxurious way here. You may question that what success truly means. Family elders may play an important role in your decisions, and you may receive guidance from the experienced people. Respecting parents, because second house is also included. That's why we are saying respecting parents and ancestors will bring inner peace for you, and some people may visit temples connected with family traditions. Creative work may carry traditional or some cultural influence here, and romance become more respectful rather than the romantic only or dramatic like Shukra, Venus. So if there have been misunderstanding in the relationship, now the transit encourages you to shed your ego and talk to each other, because with ego Ketu will not let you go ahead. Financially, you have to avoid spending only to impress others, because Ketu don't like this only luxury things to buy to impress other people. So take care of this thing. And from 16th July, just after 12 days, Venus will enter on nakshatra of Purfalguni. So here Venus become much stronger. Now the happiness, creative, romance and enjoyment naturally increases here, and you may receive appreciation for your talent because now the Venusian energy is more here. And creative professionals, artists, performers, designers, content creators will also see the better opportunity. Couples may spend more quality time together, and single people may attract a meaningful romantic prospects here, maybe from your friend circle. 11th house is just opposite, and your kids will bring a joyful news to you. Students will study their subjects in the creative manner, and the financial opportunities connected with the entertainment, education, fashion or media will improve, and the confidence becomes stronger, and now your personality appears more attractive here. So this is a favorable time for celebration and social gatherings and expressing your idea. Then further, 13 days after, July 2020, July 29, the Venus will enter the Uttar Falguni nakshatra. Now this is a nakshatra ruled by Sun, and Sun is not a friend planet for Venus. So now the focus shift from enjoyment towards responsibility, long-term stability. Relationship will be practical. Couples may discuss the marriage, the kids, future planning, and business partnerships can stronger through trust and commitment and your creative ideas now, because Sun is lord of fifth houses. So your creative ideas begin producing a long-term benefits instead of a temporary excitement. Financial decisions will be more wiser here, and students become more disciplined in their studies, and parents may focus on their children's education and future now. So this transit supports signing agreements, making commitments, all these things you can do. But still I am saying one thing, whenever Venus Ketu is together, very simple formula. Ketu say, I afflict the planets because I am the malefic and Venus is a benefic. So what you have to do, you have to work for the malefic planet. That means this is the time when you have to surrender yourself in the love life. This is the time when you have to surrender in, in creative field. You don't need to keep ego. I am only the best. You say, okay, we are doing together, no problem. And if you're a student, then you have to take your studies ahead with researched manner. Not like I have watched the video on YouTube. Now I know the subject. So you have to take care of these things, and wish you a great luck, because good combination. The only thing is how you use. Ketu here wants your surrender towards your, the loved one and the kids. And Ketu wants here to shed your ego here to get the results. Thank you very much. Now let's move to the Taurus ascendant people. And actually, the Venus is a sign of Taurus ascendant. And what will happen when ascendant Lord will enter in the zone of Ketu in the fourth house? And Venus G is Lord of first Lagna and sixth house now. Now Venus with Ketu Ji here shift your attention from outer comfort towards inner peace. Ketu Ji. You may realize that luxury alone cannot create happiness in the life or family. Home life may go through small changes that encourage, that will encourage your emotional maturity also. And some people will try to do the renovations, while other may simply want a quieter environment in the home. Relationship with mother may require patience and understanding. Property matters should be handled carefully. And your interest in meditation, spiritual reading, peaceful living, you want this, that's it. Because now the Ketu has afflicted the Venus here. The mindset is changing now. And the career pressure, yes, should not disturb the domestic harmony. You need to see, because now the dispute, the job has come here. Maybe you can work from home for some day in the isolation. I want to work from here. And on the same day, when Venus will come here, Venus will go to the Magha Nakshatra, that is a nakshatra of Ketuji. So the ancestral blessings important here. And what you will see, you may reconnect the relatives, or you can visit your ancestors' home. Property discussions with family regarding inheritance especially will move forward now. And mother may offer a valuable advice in this thing. Some hidden family matters may finally be resolved. Financial stability improves when decisions make patiently, and your home may become a place of spiritual activity or family gatherings. Interior decoration, if you want to do, beautification, if you want to do, you will do this now in the traditional manner. This is a Ketu, not Rahu, smart home. I will press the button and curtain will open. I will say, Alexa, play this, and the music is playing. No, everything you want to do traditionally here. So this period also encourage gratitude towards your teachers, gurus, parents. And when Venus, after few days, 12 days, July 16, when Venus will enter the Purva Falguni Nakshatra on Nakshatra of Venus. Now Venus become powerful here. Home life become most joyful and relaxed. Family celebrations are here. Married life benefits through better emotional understanding, and you may purchase some household items, some decorative things, and property related matters. Here will be the more smooth discussions about inheritance. Those working from home, which is very much possible because 6th house's Lord has gone there, you will feel the better productivity. Emotional confidence will improve, and children may bring happiness to the home, and the creative hobbies can reduce stress here, and financial spending on the comfort will increase. So this is one thing which you need to see. Avoid the unnecessary luxury purchases here. Then Venus Ji on the 29th will enter to the Uttar Falguni Nakshatra. This is the Nakshatra of Sun. Now home repairs, legal documents, property planning, this all requires attention here. Relationship with family member become more responsible. You may think seriously about the long-term investment or buying a home rather than only renovating. Why to spend money here on renovation? Let's buy new. Health also here need action, because 6th house Lord is also, Venus. And maintaining discipline, especially in your food habits, in your daily routine, this is very important for you. And family responsibilities increases, but also strengthens your emotional stability, and financial planning become more wiser. And the transit supports building a secure instead of a only temporary comfort. And if you see, the Venus and Ketu are the two different energies here. Now Venus ji say, I want luxuries. Ketu ji say, keep it simple. Now in this tug of war, definitely Ketu ji will overpower. But in the meantime, on 29th July, just before the 1st August, when this Venus ji will enter the Uttar Falguni, which is Sun's nakshatra, the 5th house lord. Now, the not 5th house lord, this 4th house lord is Sun. So definitely, you can be little bit more authoritative, or maybe your mother can be more authoritative to solve the issues of the family if any going on. She can take the center stage. She can lead because Venus is now in the Leo sign, 4th house sign, Leo, the Sun's nakshatra. So mother can take here the center stage. So take care of your health of your mother also, especially during this time period, and your own health also, because Ketu is also here, and Venus is also not friend of Sun, and 4th house, this 6th house Lord also. So be careful with your health matters, and be careful in your job matters as well. Thank you very much, my dear family members. I wish you a great time. And now the Gemini family members. If you see for Gemini, now this Venus Ketu is in the 3rd house. If you see the 3rd house, first we need to see the lordship of Venus. This is a 5th and 12th. So Venus with Ketu, it changes your communication style. Maybe from last 1 year, you are just a silent person, not speaking much, not much communication. Now you may speak less, but think deep before expressing, because 12th house Lord is also here. Creative writing, spiritual teaching, research, and meaningful communication become more stronger. Now Ketu is leading, because whenever any benefic or malefic planet are together, the malefic will lead there. And yes, it filtered through the results of Venus also. So relationship with siblings, this require patience here, because misunderstandings can be there. Maybe, when 12th house Lord comes here, so some misunderstanding, maybe some losses due to younger siblings or with neighbors, this can create problem. Short journeys may become more spiritual, meaningful, rather than only, let's go for a long drive. No. Social media and public communication should be handled carefully, because Ketuji sometimes creates confusion, and 12th is also about the loss. So don't write something or express something in such a manner which can create confusion for other people as well. And the creative ideas here become more original and different from the crowd, and students may develop interest in the philosophy, scriptures, or ancient knowledge, or your courage will increase, but unnecessary argument should be avoided. And because this is 12th house Lord Venus is here, so maybe you can learn something new here. This is a house of skills, and maybe you can learn something new online by a foreign country, some university or institute or something like this. Or maybe you want to learn something traditional. Ketu is traditional. And Venus ji on the same day will enter in Magha Nakshatra also. So when Venus ji will enter the Nakshatra of Ketu in this house, then the communication become more respectful and dignified now. And the guidance from the teachers, elders, or experienced people will be there for you. Now the business discussions, marketing, writing, teaching, sales, public speaking, this will receive support, but still you need to take care. What? That it should not be the full of confusion. Still Ketuji's energy is here. Your siblings will provide valuable help, but you need to understand, you need to value, not to ignore. You can learn more skills regarding your profession. Family traditions will influence your thinking, and confidence grow through discipline rather than the pride here. And after few days, 16th July, now Venus ji finally enter the On Nakshatra. Purfal. Now in On Nakshatra, any planet is very strong. Now your communication become more attractive. Content creators, 3rd house, writers, artists, media professionals receive favorable opportunities. Creative ideas will get appreciation here, and business promotion definitely becomes successful for you. Now the Venus in On Nakshatra, and friendship will improve, and romantic conversations become sweeter here, because this is Venus on nakshatra. Maybe you can connect with someone from foreign country online in love matters also, because Venus is a 12th house lord as well. For some people waiting visa, maybe they can get visa also. So short distance travel will also bring useful connections, and networking expands your professional circle here. Avoid speaking, you know, the rash things. The honest communication is required, but in softer manner. Because this Venus in on 29 July will enter the Uttar Falguni. Now this is a nakshatra of Sun, and Sun is a third house lord, and Venus and Ketu is already there. Now Sun is also comes to the play here as a nakshatra also. So now relationship with siblings become more stable. You begin thinking a long-term plans, but still in your communication there should not be authority here. Sun, financial decisions will be practical. Professional networking for you become more meaningful here, and students will become disciplined in their learning, and those running businesses may establish lasting partnership. Courage become balanced with the wisdom, and this transit help you to build a reputation through a responsible speech, consistent effort, and of course third house, the reliable communication. So I find this good. Venus Ketu combination, what he wants, Venus wants, you know, I want to give you softer communication, I want to give you diplomatic communication, but Ketuji say you have to surrender here. Surrender here your unconditional love towards siblings, younger siblings, neighbors. Your communications should not be the full of pride and ego. Shed it here. It should be diplomatic, but it should not be manipulative. So wish you best of luck. All the good time is here. So focus is mainly on the third house. Now for Cancer ascendant people. Now Venus Ketu together in the second house. Now for Cancer family members, if you see, this is everything in the second house. Venus rules your 4th and 11th. So beautiful houses. So when Venus will join Ketuji in second house, your relationship with money, family, speech begins to change here. This is not necessarily a period of financial loss, but your priorities may shift here. You may start questioning whether wealth alone brings security and happiness. This can be your question. So expenses on luxury items will reduce now the Ketu is overpowering here. Family discussions become sensitive. Choose your words very carefully, because this can be very sarcastic or it can create misunderstanding. And this is a favorable time to organize your finances and avoid the unnecessary purchases. Income from creative work or property will continue, but avoid risky investment here. You may feel also drawn towards studying sacred text or chanting mantras here. And on the same day when Venus is coming here in the Leo sign, it will enter the Magha nakshatra also. So now the focus shift towards what? Family heritage. Ancestral blessings will also there. And you may become more interested in preserving your family values and traditions. Respecting elders definitely will bring unexpected support. Financial matters improve through patience rather than shortcuts. Property or family assets may require attention here, and your speech become influential, and people listen carefully to your advice, and those working in a family business will receive guidance from the senior members. Some people may purchase valuable item for the family, valuable item, but meaningful one. And this is also a favorable time if you want to clear some misunderstanding within the family. This is very important because, what is Magha Nakshatra? This is a nakshatra connected with ancestors. Who is the deity? Pitradev. What is the symbol? Throne. If you will, even you can say, okay, sorry what I have did in past to your elders. This will bring a royal throne for you. And Venus, after some days, will enter in Pur Falguni Nakshatra from 16 July. Now the energy will be more strong because this is Venus' own nakshatra. Now the financial opportunities become more promising. Income may increase through the business, creative work, property or networking, and family life become warmer and more supportive, and you may enjoy good food, celebrations, family gatherings. Couples will experience a greater emotional comfort here, and you have been waiting for financial stability from long. Now this is a period which can actually bring a gradual improvement, and people who are from creative professions will receive recognition and may get new clients also. And Venus will increase your desire for comfort, but Ketuji also here saying kindly stay away from the comfort. So the transit will support both material growth and family happiness, but within the this diagram, this boundaries of Ketuji. Because Ketuji will make you feel like this, yes, I have to spend. I need comforts, but I need comfort for my family. And after few days, Venus Ji will enter in Uttar Falguni Nakshatra, Nakshatra of Sun. This is a sign of Sun, Leo. And Venus, when will enter here, now a practical approach will be there for family and money as well. And you may begin planning or long-term investment or financial security. Family members may discuss important future decisions together. Your communication become more mature and balanced, and business agreements can become profitable when handled honestly. Students may become more focused on building stable careers, and this transit will favors the disciplined financial planning rather than the impulsive spending. And the most important theme is now, the second house is activated for you, fourth house is activated for you, 11th house is activated, and Venus Ketu together as a theme. Ketu just say, you have to show an unconditional love for the family. Before you think for yourself, you have to think for family. Buy something from family rather than your own need. And surrender yourself to the family, and whatever family is guiding you, the mother, elder siblings, go according to that. This will benefit you. So Venus Ketu is creating here now there is two different energies. One say I want this, one say I don't want this, but every difference will bring this nakshatra transit. Magha nakshatra will definitely channelize your energy towards sacrifice, and when the Venus energy will come with Pur Falguni, definitely you want to do something for the family. And when the Sun energy will come in the Uttar Falguni nakshatra, then there will be the practical approach. But at this time, need to control your speech, that can be more authoritative also. So need to check especially how you talk with your family members and in-laws. Thank you very much, my dear family members. Now let's move to the Leo family member. Now everything is happening in Lagna. And Venus is ruling your third house of efforts and 10th house of karma. So there is a powerful transit because now it directly affects your personality, confidence, career. Both are together, public image, name, fame. You will begin changing your appearance, dressing style, or way of presenting yourself. However, Ketu Ji makes you less interested in seeking attention from others. Ketu Ji said, don't do this. You become more focused on the personal growth rather than public praise, name, fame. Career goals may change as you start looking for the meaningful work. And some people may feel temporarily confused because the Venus Ketu now in the Lagna, one energy say leave everything, second energy say I want everything. But this usually lead to the better clarity later. And creative ideas become unique and original, but more of traditional. And communication will improve when you avoid unnecessary argument. This is very important because whatsoever this Venus Ketu is two different energies. Health should not be ignored here, especially the stress and the proper rest. This is what you need because this conjunction teaches that true confidence will come from the inner strength rather than the external recognition from the people. And on the same day, on the 4th July, Venus will enter the Magha Nakshatra. Now, naturally, your attraction will be towards your, calm behavior, dignity. You will get support from seniors and mentors. Because Magha Nakshatra is a nakshatra of Pitras, ancestors. Now, their blessings are on you regarding career. Your career will find new opportunities here. Family reputation, also become important for you here. And you may feel inspired to follow your father's or family values while building your own identity in public. Creative professionals will gain recognition without asking. Ketu said, don't ask. You leave the desire for recognition, I will give you recognition. And your communication become respectful here, which will improve the professional relationships for you. And from July 16, now the energy of Venus will be more strong because entering in the on nakshatra. Purfalguni. So now the confidence increases naturally. People will appreciate your ideas, your presence. Career opportunities improve because now the others are noticing your abilities. Relationship become warmer, and singles may attract a suitable partners, and a married people enjoy a better understanding here. Creative projects will receive appreciations, and financial opportunities through business, entertainment, media, beauty, fashion, all this is on your way, and health will also improve for you. A balanced lifestyle you will see here. But now the Venus will enter the Uttar Falguni Nakshatra on 29 July. This is Lagan's Nakshatra, Sun's Nakshatra. Now your attention toward the responsibility and long-term success will be there, and you become more disciplined in both career and personal life, and professional commitment will increase here, but also bring name, fame, recognition. This is Sun's Nakshatra. So relationship become more serious and dependable, especially with the partnerships. 7th house, just opposite. Venus is aspecting there. Important contracts or career decisions will move forward, and financial planning become practical for you, and you may also become more respected because of your consistency and honesty. And this is a favorable period for what? To building your reputation rather than seeking a quick success, because if you will able to build your reputation, success will follow this. So this is good combination. And the Venus here want all type of name, fame, recognition, luxury, comfort. And Ketu will teach you then what is the meaning of sacrifice, how you can sacrifice and achieve the things in your life. This is what Ketuji will teach you here. Leave, you will achieve. Thank you very much. And I pray for all my Leo family members. Now let's move to the Virgo, because you have this combination in the 12th house. Now you will see the Venus rules the 2nd and 9th, two wonderful houses, and Venus is joining here Ketuji, totally spiritual influences there. You may naturally reduce your unnecessary expenses, because otherwise Venus in the 12th house always says spend in the luxurious manner. Now the Ketuji is controlling this energy. Foreign travel, spiritual retreats, or visit to the sacred places become possible. Sleep patterns may change. Making rest and meditation become important, and some people may distance themselves from the social distractions and spend more time in self-reflection. Financial planning become necessary because hidden expenses may arise. Relationship may become quieter, and not because of problems, but because you seek emotional peace. This is 12th house, isolation. Your interest in charity will increase. Now you don't want to buy something luxurious for you, you want to give. Helping others. So this conjunction can also support, letting go emotions in you. So this is very good. Now 12th house is liberation, and Venus and Ketu here together will tell you what is liberation, how you can show your unconditional love here. And now in the same day, Venus will enter the Magha Nakshatra, the Nakshatra of Ketuji, when Venus will come here on 4th July. Now, you may feel connected to your ancestors through prayers and traditional practices. Foreign connections or work behind the scene may become beneficial for you. Hidden talent will come out. Now this is 12th house. Financially, avoid the unnecessary luxury spending. because expenses can rise without proper planning. So those working in hospitals, research, charities, international organizations may receive a positive development, and this is also a favorable time for meditation and quiet self improvement for you. Now Venus in Purv Falguni, 16 July, nakshatra will change, results will change. Now Venus is entering on nakshatra. Now you may finally release the old worries and become mentally lighter here. Creative work done in a private, can produce excellent results. Now there is a, actually you have the ancestors blessing. Now the ninth house is activated here in fully. Venus is here and the ninth house nakshatra is also activated. So those planning for foreign travel or international business may receive encouraging news here, and relationship become more compassionate and understandable, and financially income will remain stable, but yes, only if you will control the expenses, because during this period you will try to spend more, and this period will support charitable activities. This is okay. Helping people, this is okay, and helping people will bring more satisfaction to you. Then on 29 July, Venus will enter the Uttar Falguni nakshatra. Now this is a nakshatra of Sun, and Sun is the lord of 12th house. So hidden obstacles begin to clear through the patience and discipline. Professional work completed quietly may receive now appreciation, but later. And you may feel inspired to simplify your lifestyle and focus only what truly matters. Relationship become more mature because expectations reduces. Health improves through proper sleep. Balanced food, regular spiritual practices, this is what you need here. So this transit is actually supporting the peaceful progress, wise financial decisions and steady inner development. That means Venus Ketu together here is, Ketuji is what is teaching the Venus. See, this time don't buy for yourself. Go in old age home, donate there. Go to some underprivileged kids, donate there. Do something for the family. You regularly go on the tours and trips. Now let's do for the family. Let's do for the father. That means doing for other is a theme here. So thank you very much. I wish a great time to you, my dear family member. Now let's move to Libra ascendants. Now for Libra ascendant, this conjunction is in beautiful house, 11th house. And Venus is your Lagan Lord, wonderful, and 8th house also. So Venus will join Ketu here in the friendship gains and all these fields. Now you may achieve goals, but that may not give you satisfaction you expected, because Venus is here to let you achieve goals, but Ketu is not let you feel this. Ketu teaches detachment, so you become more selective about the people with whom you want to spend your time here. Some friendships naturally will become distant. Few meaningful relationships become stronger. Income will continue, but you may stop chasing money only for the status now. Networking becomes smaller, but valuable people will be there. And those working in the social media, online platform, large organizations may rethink the long-term direction. Elder siblings may need your support or advice, and this transit is also favorable for a spiritual groups, charitable organizations, and learning from a wise people. Avoid trusting every opportunity that promise a quick profit. So when Venus will enter the Magha nakshatra on the same day, now the influential people, what is Magha? Magha nakshatra is connected with Pitra also and a royal throne. That means influential people will enter to your life. Seniors, mentors, or respected individuals will definitely help you achieving the important goal, and your reputation within the professional circles will improve. Friends with the strong background will come and help you. Income through the leadership roles or the government definitely will increase. Family connections can also open new opportunities, and you may reconnect with the old friends here who genuinely care about your growth. Respecting experienced people will bring unexpected benefits. Avoid comparing yourself with the others. So financial gains will be here more stronger when decisions will be made on the patience rather than excitement, and this decision includes benefit of all. What Ketu teaches. This is also social circle also, society. So on 16 July, Venus will enter on Nakshatra, more strong now, the Purv Falguni. And this is the one of the best phase for increasing income, expanding your network, and fulfilling the important desires. And business owners may gain new customers, professionals may receive recognition or incentives, and friends become supportive, and social gatherings will be more useful here, and creative projects will attract the appreciation and financial rewards. Just opposite is 11th house also. So those working in media, fashion, education, entertainment, or consulting, the 5th house again, will get benefit from here, and romantic opportunities now will arise from the social circle. But now this romantic opportunity is not out of the attraction only. You will find the meaningful relationship here. You become more optimistic about the future. Avoid the unnecessary spending simply because you want to show your status and your income is increased. This is what you need to avoid here. And then on 29 July, Venus will enter the Uttar Falguni Nakshatra. Now the long-term financial planning will begin here. Immediate gains will be there, but practical planning should also need. So professional networks become more reliable, and some friendships may transform into the business partnerships. You may also become involved in the community service or mentoring others. Financial decisions become practical and balanced. Goals seem difficult earlier, now begin moving steadily. Elder siblings may receive positive news, and your reputation grows here because of your honesty and consistency. This transit will help you build achievement that remains stable for the years. But yes, Venus Ketu together will teach you that now this is a time to think for the society, think for the masses, think for the elder siblings, think for your friend circles, surrender in front of them, plan something this which can bring gain for all, not for you only. So thank you very much. I pray for all my Libra family members. Now let's move to now, dear Scorpio family members, if you will see, Venus rules your 7th and 12th. And Venus joining Ketu in the house of, very important house, career house. So you may begin questioning whether your current work truly matches your values. And some people may receive promotions, while other may decide change in the job or responsibility. Because Ketu also gives the break and change. Recognition may come, but you may not feel. You are not satisfied. I need more appreciation. Relationship with senior authorities should be handled respectfully here. Business partnership require honesty and clear communication here. Avoid making career decision based only on emotion. Hidden talents may begin receiving attention. Your professional image become more mature and serious, and those working in the creative fields may develop a unique style that attracts the appreciation, and spiritual values may also influence your career choices this time. And the same day when Venus will enter the Magha Nakshatra in the Leo, now career will receive supports from the superiors, but still your communication should be very careful here. Professional reputation will improve when you remain humble and disciplined. Government related work or administrative responsibilities may increase. Family reputation also become important, and business owners may attract a respected clients here, and this is a favorable period for strengthening professional relationship. Financial growth definitely will come, but with patience. Ethical work. Avoid conflict with bosses, because small disagreements, this is a daily routine life, but it can bring an unnecessary obstacles. And on 16th of July, Venus will enter the Purv Falguni Nakshatra. Now this is Venus on Nakshatra, and this makes Venus here super strong. So now your work receives natural appreciation. Creative professionals, consultant, artists, teacher, entrepreneurs, you will get benefits here, and business partnerships will be smoother here, and those seeking promotions or recognitions may receive encouraging development, and public image improves naturally. Your confidence increases. Making presentations and interviews will be successful here, and financial rewards connected with the career will be stronger. Married life will also improve, because the work related stress will reduce during this period. Avoid becoming too comfortable after early success. And then 29 July, the Venus will enter the Uttar Falguni Nakshatra. This brings stability to the professional life. Long-term career planning will be there. You may receive responsibilities now. This is Sun's Nakshatra. So you will get new leadership responsibilities. You will get reputation, name, fame here. Business agreements will become stronger and relationship with senior officials improve through the trust and the reliability. So financial planning connected with the career become practical. Those running businesses will expand, but with steadiness, not rapidly. This is Ketu also here. And your public image become more respected. But what you have to learn here, Venus Ketu say, together we are saying you, learn here how to surrender for your career, how to surrender in front of bosses, how you have to surrender for a work and not to think about name, fame. You improve yourself, you do the best, the name, fame will follow. This is the time when you have to think for organization, work for organization. This is what Venus Ketu is teaching you. So thank you very much. If you have this combination, and right below when you match few things with you. Thank you. God bless you. Now let's move to the Sagittarius family members. For Sagittarius family members, now this is wonderful. Leo is in 9th house. So the Venus rules your 6th, the challenging, the 11th, again a little bit challenging because the 11th is also 6 from 6. So when Venus Ketu joins together in the house of fortune, higher learning, dharma, your belief begin to evolve here. You may question old ideas and search for the deeper spiritual understanding. The relationship with the teachers or mentors may become important, and long distance travel may bring a valuable life lessons instead of simple enjoyment. Some people may become interested in philosophy, scriptures or meditation. Fortune continues to support you, but only because Ketuji is there, sincere efforts. Legal matters, higher education require little patience here. Income through the foreign connections will be there. Your educational work may improve here. And avoid becoming stubborn in your opinion, in your belief system. Ketu teaches humility and groundedness. So this conjunction also encourages charitable activities and service without expecting the recognition. So this period will help you understand that true fortune grows through the good action and the right conduct only. And the same day, Venus is also entering in the Magha Nakshatra. That is also Ketu's Nakshatra. So the higher education, the publishing, the teaching or legal matters will receive support, and a long distance travel connected with work or spirituality may become very beneficial here. You may reconnect with the respected mentor or spiritual guide. Your confidence grows through learning rather than through competition. Financial opportunities connected with education, consulting or international work become stronger here, and respecting your father's advice or family values will prove helpful for you. This is actually house of ancestors. So, respecting mentors, father, guru, and following your traditions, very important here. And now 16 July, Venus will enter the On Nakshatra. This is a Pur Falguni. Now the fortune improves steadily. Students preparing for higher education or competitive examination receive better support. Teachers, consultants, authors, and content creators will get benefit from the increased recognition, and long distance travel become enjoyable and productive, and spiritual practices brings a peace of mind here, and relationship with mentors, this become more warmer. If you are something into such a profession where income can generate through your knowledge, wonderful. Your confidence grows here. Avoid becoming careless or overconfident, because when good things happen, we become careless. 29 July, Venus will enter Uttar Falguni. Uttar Falguni, Sun's Nakshatra. Sun is the lord of this house. Now what the things will happen? Now the career opportunities connected with the foreign country will be there. Law, teaching, publishing, consulting, this will be your main forte, and financial planning become disciplined. Now your relationship with mentors will improve. Spiritual understanding become more clear here, practical here rather than theoretical, and you may inspire others through your own example. Instead of only giving advice, you will do practically and people will follow you. So thank you very much, and this is the time to learn that how to surrender yourself for the Father, surrender in front of Guru, mentor, surrender for a dharma, following traditions. This is what Venus Ketu together can teach you here. And you can go for some religious and spiritual journeys, pilgrimages with definitely, with your friend circles. And the 6th house lord is here, so take care of health of father. Thank you very much. I pray for all my Sagittarius family members. Now my fellow Capricorns, what is special for us? Venus is a special planet for us because Venus is yoga karaka and rules 5th and 10th house, and now in the Leo, which is 8th house. So when Venus joins Ketu in the 8th house, now the hidden areas of life become more active. This is period of inner transformation rather than the outward achievement. You may begin seeing relationships, money and career from completely different perspective. Sudden events can encourage personal growth and maturity will be there. Joint finances, taxes, insurance, all 8th house things, investments, inheritance should be handled carefully. Avoid making financial investment or financial decision. Married people should communicate openly because silence can create unnecessary doubt or misunderstanding. And people who are already in this 8th house professions, they can do good here. But otherwise, if you are not into the astrology, you are interested in astrology, psychology, tantra, yantra, all will increase, and research work become more productive because your mind naturally looks now below the surface. Creative ideas will be unique and different from the crowd, and the career changes may happen slowly as you redefine your long-term goal and according to the different perspectives on this conjunction. This transit will help you release the old emotional burdens and prepare for a stronger future. July 4, the same day, Venus will enter the Magha Nakshatra also. This is also Ketuji's Nakshatra. Now definitely the guidance from elders will resolve your old long-standing issues. If you are involved in research, investigation, healing, occult sciences, wonderful results. Emotional healing will also help you to let go the past disappointments. Financially, still avoid any risky investment here and respect your family traditions. This will bring stability in your life. And Venus in Pur Falguni Nakshatra on July 16, in on Nakshatra when it will enter, now the hidden opportunities will appear for you. Business partnership, investments, all will have good opportunities and financial planning improves here. Married life becomes warmer when both partners communicate openly. Those working in finance, healing, insurance, research, planning, consulting, astrology will receive encouraging developments here, and emotional confidence will increase for you. And spiritual practices, this is 8th house, will become more enjoyable and meaningful also. But avoid becoming careless with the confidential information, your passwords, your everything. Be very careful. And 29 July, Venus will enter the Uttar Falguni, the nakshatra of Sun, and Sun is the 8th lord where Venus and Ketu is together here. So now the career planning here will become more structured. Relationship becomes stronger because both sides are willing to fulfill responsibilities. Hidden obstacles will be there, but with your patience, you can, clear these hidden obstacles. This transit will support disciplined financial management, emotional maturity, and steady professional progress. So you may also receive a valuable guidance from the experienced people around you. Your bosses, your mentors. Sun is a boss also. Sun is a father also. So thank you very much. Enjoy this period. Get ready for the transformation. This is house of transformation. And get ready to accept transformation. Actually, Ketu here wants to teach you either there is a professional transformation in love matters or in kid matter. Accept this transformation. Don't resist. Surrender. Let go. This is what we have to practice as Capricorn. Thank you very much. I pray for my all Capricorn family members. Now the Aquarius family members, this is exactly in the 7th house. Partnerships. And Venus G is ruling your beautiful house is 4th and 9th. Yoga Karaka planet for Aquarius also. So this is a period for learning relationships. Existing relationships are tested to see whether they are based on genuine understanding or just only on attraction. Couples may need more honest communication and patience, and single people may meet some unusual or spiritually inclined people. Business partnership here also require clear agreement. Avoid making major relationship decisions without careful thought. Your expectations from the others begin to change because Ketu removes unrealistic hopes and you may become less interested in the superficial connections and more attracted to the meaningful companionship here. Long distance relationship or partnerships with people from different background significant here. So it is period for understand that what truly actually commitment is. In partnership, commitment is very important. And on the same day, Venus ji will also enter the Magha Nakshatra, which is again Nakshatra of Ketu. So marriage discussions can receive family support. Existing relationships improves when both partners respect each other family's traditions. Business partnership also becomes stronger through the experience guidance, and legal agreements may move forward smoothly. Those working with clients or public receive a better cooperation now. Financial growth through the partnership become possible. Humility become the important key here. Avoid allowing ego to influence your important decisions. And further on 16 July, this Venus will become super strong. Venus is Karaka of this house. Venus will enter the Pur Falguni Nakshatra, which is Venus Nakshatra. So now the married life become more affectionate and enjoyable. Singles may receive genuine proposals or develop meaningful romantic connections. Business partnerships expand through the better communication. Public relation will improve, making this an excellent period for the consultants, lawyers, advisors, teachers. Travel with your spouse or partners also become possible, and financial opportunities through joint venture will increase here. So transit is supporting the harmony, cooperation and everything, and healthy relationship grow when both people maintain respect for each other. And finally, the 29th July, the Venus will enter the Uttar Falguni. This will bring a greater stability to the partnership. Now the marriage discussion here become more serious because this is a Sun's Nakshatra and this is a house of Sun. Now the business agreement here may be finalized, but we required little planning and carefulness here. Long-term commitment is more better rather than the temporary attractions, and your public reputation improves because this is Sun, name, fame. And financial planning with your spouse or business partner become easier here. This transit will support a lasting relationship built on the responsibility, honesty and mutual respect. And this is the time to learn your surrender towards your partner, life partner, business partners, client, customer. Because in relationship, surrender is an important key. Sacrifice is important key. What Venus here will learn in the light of Ketu. Get ready for this learning. Thank you very much, my dear family member. I pray for my all Aquarius family members. Now finally the Pisces. Now for the Pisces people, Venus ruled in 3rd and 8th house, both difficult houses. And Venus will join Ketu in again one more difficult house, 6th house. So daily routine, health, work environment and responsibility become main focus here. So this transit encourage you to simplify your lifestyle and remove unhealthy habits. Workplace relationship may become quieter as you concentrate more on your own responsibility. Avoid unnecessary arguments at workplace with colleagues because misunderstandings can develop. Financially, this is a good time to reduce unnecessary expenses. Just opposite is 12th house, and organize your pending payments. And health should receive proper attention, especially diet, digestion, stress and sleep. All this you need to manage, and Ketuji also help you to break the addictions, unhealthy patterns when you consciously make the effort. Because 8th house lordship is also there. So breaking the addictive patterns. So those involved in healing, counseling, research, medical, All this will do exceptionally well here, and hidden competitors will lose strength, and you will, if remain disciplined, then you will be the winner. And Venus with Ketu here teaches the true victory comes from where? The self-discipline, humility, and consistency. And on the same day, Venus will be also in the Magha Nakshatra, so you may receive a guidance from the experienced colleague at workplace. Workplace responsibilities can increase, but so does your ability to handle them. Health improves when you maintain regular habits. Family support may help you solve the practical problems, and financially avoid taking unnecessary loans out of only emotional thing. So small improvements made this time will create a lasting stability for you. And from 16 July, Venus will enter the On Nakshatra, Purv Falguni. Now the work become more enjoyable, relationship with colleagues will improve here, and those searching for employment may receive encouraging opportunities here, and business owners may attract the loyal customers, and health improves through the better food and exercise, and financial planning become easier now because unnecessary expenditures will reduce. Creative people may find ways to combine talent with practical work here. So this is a favorable time for a professional people. But 29th July, when Venus will enter the Uttar Falguni Nakshatra, the nakshatra of Sun, and this is a house of Sun where Venus and Ketu is together. Now the Sun energy will be here. So the health benefit from the regular exercise will be there. Proper rest also needed. Legal matters or workplace issues may move toward resolution. Financial planning become practical here, and relationship with colleagues become more professional and respectful here. And you may also become more confident now because you see the clear progress in your every single effort. So this transit supports a lasting improvement in your health, in your work, in your finances, and in your personal discipline as well. And I will tell you what Venus Ketu is doing here. Venus Ketu is just teaching you surrender towards colleagues. Think for colleagues. Surrender towards your disciplined routine. And Ketu ji say nothing important than health. Control your health, control your expenses, and be polite with the people, those who are working with you. So this is what Venus Ketu ji is teaching here. Thank you very much. I will love to know that how this gels with you in coming days. Kindly comment below. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Mata Di, Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Ma Lakshmi, Jai Gurudev.